Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and today's video is going to be all about loungewear because we're all working from home. So basically staying home most of the time. I thought this will be really useful and I have been literally living in them. I'm hardly like dressing up. Maybe I'm dressing up for videos, but apart from that, I'm mostly living in my loungewear slash night clothes slash joggers. So yeah, let's begin. And all of these I'll link them in the description box, and if I forget the prices I'll put the prices right here on the screen. So yeah, let's begin. First I'll start off with something that I picked up recently. So these are all from Westside. I have spoken about Westside before. So Westside has one or two brands which are actually great for plus size or curvy women. So yeah, this video is actually for everyone. I'm talking about nightwear that are available on different websites. So this is for everyone, not just plus size or curvy girls, but I will be talking about certain brands which are majorly catering to curvy women as well, because there's a lot of you guys here too. So yeah, this brand actually is Wonderlove. They're available in Westside stores and you can find them on Tata Click website or the app. Basically they have different sizes. They have all the sizes, not just for plus size, but yeah, they're very plus size friendly too. Now let's begin. These actually came in last week, but I still haven't opened them because I was just keeping them aside for the first 2-3 days, and then after that I thought I'll just open them when I'm filming them. Although these are brand new, I have worn pieces from this brand before and I have been using them. I've washed them, so I know that the quality is good, and I also know that they're super comfortable. So this is from Wonderlove and this is in the size XXL, and this actually fits up to like triple XL too, because these sizes are like that. Even if you buy like XL a pair of pants, they will fit up to like double XL. You can go one size down if you want, but I just checked the measurements before you order. So this is for 399 rupees, which I thought was pretty decent. And like you can see, the fabric is really soft. That's what I like about this brand. They even have lingerie, and basically this brand actually has really good sizes too. So this is a brand you should definitely check out if you go to the store, or even if you're checking them out online. Tata Click has them, so I will leave them in the description box, and they're quite cute too. This one says Daydreamer, and this is that sort of faded blush pink, and I really like this one. So this is not a set, but I did get these also. This is also from Wonderlove, and like I said, this is double XL, but it would fit even 3XL. Like these are quite loose, because the night pants I wanted to get something which is not fitted, or which is basically one size above, one or two sizes above, because I want them to be really comfortable. Of course, all of us want that. So this is the print on that. I think they're very cute. You can wear them together, or you can wear them with anything else also. So this is also very soft fabric. I already have some night pants from this brand. They have pockets as well, and they're super comfortable, especially to like wear at home through the day, even when you're working, or basically I do wear them even while working out. Actually, I don't have a lot of separate workout clothes. I wear the usual lounge wear sometimes. Sometimes I do wear workout clothes too. So yeah, this is also really soft, and I will show you the other one which I already have from Wonderlove. I have worn this a little bit, so don't mind that. And yeah, this is also from Wonderlove. So just look at the prints that they have. They're so cute, and they're very stretchable and very soft and comfortable, and even the elastic is quite stretchable. It's not that cheap elastic, and they even have this thread, so yeah, they're adjustable and all that. So they're very soft. Definitely try this brand if you're looking for like comfy loungewear to wear at home or your night clothes. And I also got these shorts, basically so soft. So if you're someone who doesn't mind wearing shorts at home, then you should definitely get this. This is also in the size, I think, double XL. This is also from Wonderlove. This is so soft, you guys. It is so soft. I actually I thought these can be paired, or you can wear like basic black t-shirts. I think they'll be really comfortable. this fabric is actually softer than these pants, little bit more softer. So I think they're available in different colors and different sizes. Like I said, even though this one says a double XL, it would fit up to 3XL for sure. Now these are from Wonderlove, but there's one more brand in Westside. It's called Sassy Soda. They have casual wears and they also have lounge wear. This is specifically a plus size brand. I don't think Wonderlove is a plus size brand as such, but they do have sizes up to like double XL and triple XL, or maybe double XL, but it fits triple XL. You know what I mean. But Sassy Soda is specifically for plus size, so their XL is equal to like a normal 2XL or 3XL in normal sizes. So Sassy Soda is something you definitely want to check out if you are a curvy girl, and if you are not getting your sizes elsewhere, you definitely get them in Sassy Soda. So they have casual wear as well, western wear. So you'll find basically jeans, you'll find t-shirts, you'll find loungewear, nightwear, and you'll also find dresses. I've bought denim dresses before from this brand, and I also have some other outfits from this brand, so they have really good sizes. You would have seen me wear them before, but I'm not really sure you know, if I can find pictures, I'll put them. So their brand also has some t-shirts and loungewear. I've also gotten sportswear from Westside before, so they specifically have like sports bras and sportswear t-shirts and joggers and like leggings for workout wear. So check out Westside. Tata Click is your go-to one if you are looking for loungewear or like workout and gym wear for plus size and even other sizes. Lastly, from Wonderlove, I got this night dress. This is like a knee-length dress. It is plain black. It's basically your t-shirt dress. It has like a v-neck and it has like a pocket here. Again, a super comfortable, very stretchable. Like you can see that it is super stretchable, and it's basically plain back, and it would come a little above knees or basically knee length. Again, something nice to wear at home, very comfortable. If you're not comfortable wearing just the dress, then of course you could wear like pants, night pants, and this dress. I think they're available in different colors. I'm not able to recollect, but yeah, I will link them in the description box if I see them. So that has to be my favorite brand for loungewear. Now next up, again, something very comfortable is this loungewear set. This is from the brand called Faballey, and this is in the size 3XL or 4XL, but yeah, basically even 2XL would fit me, but I wanted to get a bigger size. And this is a sort of a crop top. That's again one of the reasons why I got the last size. These come with trousers basically, which I'm wearing below this dress. So it's a loungewear set basically. I will just put a picture from the website over here so that you can see. So you can wear them separately or you can wear them as a set, and the set is actually very cute, and the fabric is of really good quality. The set is usually $12.99, but I got them during a sale for a much lesser price. I think something around $6.99, and because it's a set, I thought it was a good idea, and it was a really good idea because the fabric, the quality is amazing. Like I have worn them so much in the last 1 year. Like I got this a very long time back, but they're still available on the website, and they're also available in different colors. There's a blush pink set in the exact same thing without the polka dots. So the crop top actually has a little bit of a detailing here. It cinches over here, and you're basically, the pants are your usual drawstring pants, and you can actually wear them out as well. This loungewear set, if you're someone who likes to wear such outfits for your travel, then this is also a really good option. But yeah, basically I got them for home wear. And one more piece you should definitely check out, especially if there's a sale, get your hands on it. I think Faballey has a couple of other loungewear sets and night clothes, and they have sizes up to like 4XL or 5XL, so do check them out. This is from Myntra. So it was a set of 2 pants, and these are basically your palazzos. This is a peach one, and there was a navy blue one. So this fabric is a little transparent, but it's nice for homeware, and also you can wear them out on your kurtas or your long dresses, because this fabric is going to stick to your body a little bit, not in an uncomfortable way as a feeling, but to look at it might feel uncomfortable, because if you wear something short, then because the pants will stick a little bit, you know, this kind of fabric, when there is air blowing, basically they'll come stick to your body like this. I'm talking about that, but they're very, very comfortable and very stretchable. So I got this set. I think the set was for 600 or 700. I'm not very sure. Again, I'll put the prices here because I don't remember some of the prices. I've already started wearing the navy blue one. I think it's out for wash somewhere. So yeah, because of this detailing, you can even wear it under your kurtas. So if you're wearing like for daily wear kurtas when you're stepping out right now for like groceries or vegetables, or just because, or just you can wear them at home. So yeah, this is one more thing which I recently got. One more new purchase is this one from bewakoof.com. So this is from the men's section, and I got the double XL size or XL size in men's section. Basically check measurements and buy it, that's it. So this, I thought the color was really cool, so I got it. I like bright colors. Sometimes they brighten up your day even if it's just homeware. So I got this, and it has like a cute pocket at the back. So yeah, bewakoof.com also has really cool, really nice nightwear. Even in the women's section, they have really cool ones with the cartoons or like Marvel characters. For men also it's the same. I've gotten Batman pants for Yash before, and I got something else also this time also for him, and I got some t-shirt also which I'm not able to find right now. I'll try to put a picture here. It is Coca-Cola t-shirt, and I thought it was really cute. And of course, it's always a great trick to go to men's section and buy like XL or double XL, even if you are someone who wears medium generally in women. This can be like a dress for you. Like if you get XL or double XL from men's section, you can wear it as a night dress, because they will reach a little above your knees, and of course as you wash them and they stretch, they'll come up to your knees. I do this a lot. So I go to Lifestyle or basically any men's section, Westside men's section, and buy t-shirts which are a little baggy, and I buy them in like double XL mostly, and they are like night dresses. Basically you can wear them as a night dress, or you can even wear them with like night pants, of course. So basically what I'm saying is they'll be really comfortable to wear at home, and they'll be super baggy because they're from men's section. So yeah, this is a trick. If you are not able to find your size in women's section in the usual nightwear, then definitely check out men's section. You'll definitely like something and you'll find your size, and also they'll be super comfortable. I think mostly that is it from the new ones that I got, but this is the last one. So this I got for another video where I wanted to review some YouTubers products. So this is Mridil's. It's from Skion Apparel. Mridil Sharma, she's a YouTuber from Mumbai. So I got a couple of products from different YouTubers here, basically based out of Hyderabad or basically the South, and some others from Mumbai and Delhi. So I wanted to do a review video showing you guys some product launches. So that's why I got this. But yeah, so the fabric is really good. The quality is really good. Actually, when you see her wearing in her videos itself, you can tell that the quality is good, and the stretch is also quite good. This one is actually XL, but it'll fit up to double XL, and they have the measurements written, and the delivery was actually quite quick. I think I got it in about 4 days or so. I think they have hoodies and other t-shirts too. Yeah, so check them out. You'll find all the sizes from I think extra small. I'll show you guys some of the older things which I have, which I'm still wearing. So this is from Clovia. Clovia has up to 3XL in their loungewear, so you can check out their night clothes. This one is also quite stretchy and it's very cute. It has a cupcake, and it came with like a pink polka dots pant which I've overworn, and it's no more. It's all torn basically, but yeah, So check out their night sets. They have night suits, they have like a t-shirt and pants, and they even have, I think, separates. And they're not very expensive as well. I think the set is quite affordable. So yeah, do check out Clovia. I think Zivame and Shayaway, all of these sites, lingerie sites, also have sets, night suits, but I think they only have up to 2XL. Clovia is one site which has up to 3XL. So yeah, you can check out different sizes. Again, they have sizes from like small to 3XL, so check it out. So on that note, we are done. So that was all the loungewear that I wanted to show you guys. I really hope this video is helpful, because I've seen a lot of comments, and even recently when I posted something on Instagram about what do you want to watch next, or like basically let's chat, a lot of you guys asked for nightwear haul. So I hope this was really useful. Do check out the links in the description box. I know I gave a lot of options, but if I have to recommend one brand, then I would definitely recommend Westside. They have really good nightwear, but they can be a little expensive. I think the pants are like around $7.99 or something, but the t-shirts are pretty decent, $3.99. To buy them on sale is the best option. Unfortunately, the sale got over by the time I got them as well, but yeah. So other piece is Faballey one. Again, buy them during the sale. Along with these hauls, I have a lot of vlogs and styling videos also planned, and I've been posting regularly every week. So mostly I'm posting on Monday, or if not some other day of the week, but I'm posting one video every week. So make sure that you turn on your notifications, and I update on Instagram whenever I post. A lot of you guys seem to be missing my videos, because I keep seeing these comments or Instagram DMs saying, hey, why aren't you uploading regularly, we missed your videos and all that. But I've been uploading every week. I know last year there was a point where I kept missing my weekly uploads, and then there was delays and all that, but I have been uploading regularly, so make sure you watch them. I've been uploading every week, and I will try and bring it to 2 videos a week, probably in some time. But yeah, make sure that you're subscribed, and also don't forget to find me on Instagram as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.